Okay, so for this one, you could choose either method. My favorite though is elimination, and I think this is ready for elimination. Number one, the reason why I would choose elimination, these are already opposites. This is a positive, this is a negative. So to me, that's a big drawing to me is like, hey, choose elimination because I'm ready for you. I don't have to do what I did over here and make one of these negative. They're already opposites. So I would eliminate my y. Could you choose to eliminate x and multiply the top by -6 and the bottom by +1?
Yep.
Absolutely. Could you choose to do substitution and get your x by itself? Absolutely, you could do that. We would all end up with the same answer if we all do our math correctly. Now, I'm going to choose elimination. I'm going to eliminate the y's, just like I just said. What multiple do 4 and 2 have in common?
2.
8.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20.
8. 4.
4. 8
Oh,
is
yeah.
correct, but I'm going to use 4. You can use 8, that's fine, but 4 is the best one. Okay, so I'm going to multiply the top by 1 to keep that a 4. I'm going to ignore this sign, and I did not mean to write on it. I'm going to ignore that sign. What can I multiply 2 by, ignoring the fact that it's a minus sign? What can I multiply 2 by to turn it into a 4?
2.
2. So my top equation essentially stays the same. That's a multiply, not a negative. So I'm going to have x plus 4y equals 14. On the bottom, I'm going to have 12x minus 4y.
I thought you said ignore the minus sign.
Well, I did for me to decide what to multiply by. Because some students would tell me to multiply it by -2 to turn it into a 4, but I need it to be a minus sign. I need to be able to eliminate those. And then it would equal 12. Now I can add those together. X plus 12x is 13x.
3.
What happens to these two?
Cancel.
Cancel out. And it equals 26. Divide both sides by 13. X is 2. So I'm going to put a 2 up. Whoops.
Why is it?
I'm going to put a 2 up here. Then how do I find y?
Yeah, substitution.
And I'll use the top one.
Yeah, it's easy.
Oops. So I would have 2 plus 4y equals 14. Subtract 2. I think I asked you all not to talk. I'm going to put that on my YouTube channel.
Please stop recording.
I did not stop recording. 4y equals 12. Divide by 4. Y is 3. So 2, 3 is my point of intersection.
Ta-da.
And we're done.